Hey guys, so today we get to play with a new palette that I got. Yay! So this is the Anastasia of Beverly Hills and Alyssa Edwards collab palette. Wait until you see these colors, just look. Ready? Oh no. Ready? Now, you ready? Look at those colors. I mean, come on. So, I know I have seen a lot of people using this yellow color, but I want to focus more on the, which way am I going? I want to focus more on the pinks and blues and purples, and I want to do a galaxy inspired look with these and some of my Mehron paints. So, I'm so excited, but I'm so excited. I have been seeing this all over social media and I am so excited and happy that I got it. How many times have I said I'm so excited already in this intro? But if you want to join our fun, crazy, beautiful family, then make sure and hit that subscribe button, like this video, and go follow me on all social media platforms. I post every weekday on my Instagram and Twitter and Facebook page, so come follow us over there and let's get started. Yeah. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to take the NYX Bear With Me setting spray and a beauty blender and put a little bit of powder underneath my eyes just to catch any fallout that may occur. The ABH Norvina palette was notorious for fallout, so I just wanted to prepare myself in case this palette had fallout, which it did. I was very glad I did that. So the first shade I'm going to dive into is Believe, which is this beautiful purple shade, and look at that. Like, I didn't even have to work for that color. That pigment just happened. So after the purple, I'm going to go into the color Dream It, which is this beautiful royal blue color. And I'm going to put that on the middle part of my crease and start blending it into Believe, that purple shade, just to kind of get an overall blended effect. And then the next color I'm going to be going into is this dark purple shade called BBDC. And I'm actually taking a shorter, thinner, pointed detailed brush to create that winged effect on the side. And then now we're going to go in with this beautiful pink shade called Texas Made. Look at that pink. I am not even a pink kind of gal, and that pink made me happy. That was an intense pink. So I'm taking that into my inner corners, and I'm also going to drag it down and start my bottom lash line with that pink, and then just use the same shade progression to match all the way to the winged point on the edge of my eyes. And then once that's done, I'm going to take a small flat brush and the Tarte Shape Tape and cut out my crease. And then after that, I'm going to take the color Inspire, this gold metallic shade, and place that all over my lids. Alright, once that's done, we're going to go into liner. I'm using my all-time favorite NYX Epic Liner pencil for this. And I'm just creating a even black winged liner for that. And now onto mascara. I'm using the NYX Worth the Hype mascara and just coating my top and bottom lashes with that. Alright, now I'm going to be using the Azardio Hollywood lashes. There we go, easy as 1, 2, 3. Alright, now I'm taking the NYX white liner, and we are going to eventually start adding stars to our galaxy, but that is not what this pen is for. This pen is going to outline our galaxy pockets that are seeping through our skin because we are intergalactic people. I don't know. I just got this new pen to help draw my lines for all of my different body paints. So I'm just making random places that I think I want my galaxy bits to be, and you'll see later on that I actually add something else across my forehead. So now on to paint. I'm using the purple, blue, and teal paints from Mehron. They are water activated paints, and they're so easy to use, and I use them in every single paint because they are awesome. So as you can tell, I'm just kind of going nonchalantly and adding in all different kinds of colors before going in with the sea sponge and a black Mehron paint and kind of start darkening our galaxy up a little bit. Now I'm going back into the Alyssa Edwards palette and outlining the edges with the different colors. So I'm doing pink and blue and purple, all different kind of shades, just to kind of extend out my galaxy areas and make them more defined. All right, now I'm going to go into Beast, which is the black color, and now actually outline all of my areas in black before going into the shade Back Rolls and shading around the black so it looks like it is on top of our skin, casting a shadow down. Alright, and now once the shadows are done, I'm going back into that black Paradise paint and deepening up our galaxies. So the black can be really anywhere or any place that you really want it to be. Just kind of make it look more dark and space-like. So now you see, this is what I was saying before. I really wanted something to go up on my forehead because it looked a little empty up there. So I just started dragging up the black paint, and then I added in my colors where I wanted them. Now to the stars. I'm using the white Mehron Paradise paint and just adding in stars wherever I feel like I needed stars. You know what I'm saying? Make your own galaxy. Put as many stars as you want in there. I wanted a lot of stars, so I added me a lot of stars. And then I also added some stars to my eyeshadows just to kind of bring it all in. And now I'm going to go put on my wig and a little bit of jewels, and I'll be right back. So thank you so much for coming to watch my video today. I really hope that you enjoyed it and enjoyed this fun Anastasia Beverly Hills and Alyssa Edwards palette. I give it a big thumbs up. I love you guys so much. Please make sure and hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next week.